Here we are logged in to my Creatify dashboard. At the top there is Add Flow, Asset Generator, and Avatar Video. There is a multitude of other tools here, but today we will use Add Flow to generate a realistic UGC video. The Copilot AI sets up everything for you. You click the Add Product button to add your product and a simple text to say what you are trying to create. For this example, I entered this simple text: create a 60-second product demo for my product, Cognicom, where the avatar holds the bottle. Enter your text and press the blue arrow to start. I have already run this and it's listed below as recent. I will click it to reopen it. The Copilot AI used the product and the simple text I gave it to pick an avatar from the over 1,500 avatars it has. You can pick a different avatar and run it again if you like. This is a fictitious product I created and put into my Creatify product library for this video demonstration. If you are going to pick a product from your product library, to avoid an error, make sure you fill out the description in the product library for that product, so the AI can use the description to create your ad. You can also just give it your product website link and it will pull everything from your website. Everything has nodes connecting them. I didn't want background music and I deleted the node connecting it. There was text overlay and I deleted that also. Here is the result.
My therapist literally said, quote, "You have to stop white-knuckling your Tuesdays." So I tried something embarrassingly small instead. Cognicom, 2 capsules in the morning, that's it. No matcha ritual, no 12-step thing, just this. Before this, by 11 a.m., I'd already opened the same email 4 times pretending I was answering it. Brain fog with a side of dread. 3 weeks in, the static got quieter. Not gone, quieter. I noticed I was actually finishing sentences in meetings again. L-theine, ashwagandha, magnesium glycinate, stuff that's been studied. No melatonin hangover, no jitter. If your Tuesdays feel like Mondays in a trench coat, try it for 2 weeks. Check it out for yourself. The link is in my bio.
Everything was good except at the end, the bottle was a little too big. No problem. We will just regenerate that node video section. Before you regenerate, you can make changes to the script in this node text box if you like. When you're ready, press the arrow button to regenerate the node. Let's play this node to see the changes.
If your Tuesdays feel like Mondays in a trench coat, try it for 2 weeks. Check it out for yourself. The link is in my bio.
It was perfect and the bottle is the right size. The full video is ready. The video can be downloaded now, from here, or any time from your project library. The project library is located on the sidebar in the dashboard. You can download your video from here. The simple, easy way to create realistic AI UGC videos. Just open Add Flow, paste your website link, and let the AI do the rest. Every node is customizable. You can change everything until it's exactly the way you want it to be. The link to Creatify is in the description below.